What you learned from today's session?
So, me and my group, we all have problem in free writing.
Okay.
So, from today's session, we got to know that how many words, how many marks we have to write, how many words, and all about that. All problems of free writing are clear.
Okay.
So, and about many more things we got to learn. This like grammatical things and essay writing, paragraphs, and this much.
So, do you think it was fruitful?
Yeah, I think.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. What you learned from today's session? Yeah.
I learned
Specifically, yes.
Okay. Mainly I learned about grammar, like where to use what, and about that number marks things, which I didn't know, now I know. And that's all.
So, you think it was fair to cut your marks in the exam before?
No, I don't.
So, you still think that you wrote, whatever you wrote was correct?
Like, it was, sir, but maybe there was what I think I wrote right.
So, what change you are going to bring in your writing from today?
So now I know how to write paragraphs. Before I don't know. From now I
You know how to write paragraphs.
Yes, sir.
So, the success of the session
It's
is
very nice. I enjoyed a lot.
You-
I learned so many things.
you learned so many things.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Like,
How to write, how to make paragraphs, how to use verbs, where to use noun, adjectives, and many more.
good. Okay. Thank you for this.
From today's session, we have got to know many things like communicating and finding the answers,
Yes.
paragraph writing, word class, and about travels, some words, new words about travels.
Yes. So, do you think that you are going to use the same techniques in your exam or in your writing?
Of course, sir, now we know. That's why we have told you also
Yes.
to teach us first.
Yes. So, how much confident you feel now? A bit better or same?
70%.
70%. Good. Very nice. Good.
From today's session, we have learned many things about grammar, word classes that we should implement in our quarterly examination, or which we have done many mistakes in second term, first term.
Okay. So, you are going to bring some changes in your writing now.
Yes, sir.
What kind of change you think you can bring?
Yes, sir. I have written many. I have written very late in my paragraph rewriting, so I am going to implement in my third terminal examination.
Good. Very nice. Teacher. How you are going to improve your free writing now?
By learning this, nice. त्यो प्यासेजहरूको चाहिँ फर्मेटहरू सिकेँ कसरी लेख्ने कति मार्कमा कति लेख्ने स्टार्टिङ 50 वर्डले अनि त्यसपछि 180 गरेर अनि लास्टको 50 वर्डले अनि कन्क्लुजन गर्ने जस्तो
Good.
सेन्टेन्सको पनि राम्रो सिक्यो अनि वर्ड कसरी चिन्ने नाउन कसरी चिन्ने एक्जेक्टिभ कसरी चिन्ने
कति मार्क्स ल्याएको थियो इङ्ग्लिसमा?
फर्स्टमा
सेकेन्डमा?
सेकेन्ड हो 56.
56. So, now you are confident that you will grab something more?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's being recorded. Yes.
And today we have learned that out of 75 marks, today we discovered I think 25 marks
Yes.
of writing,
Yes.
of passages. Now I think everyone can solve the passage by writing as today we have learned.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes, very nice. Yes.
Thank you, Dipendra sir, principal sir, and my dear and dear sisters who spent their important time today from this section. Before this section, I don't know how to write essay, but from this section, I fully know how to write the essay, where is to use furthermore or moreover, and we learn lots of things. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good. Very nice. Teacher.
In today's session, Dipendra sir explained us many things about grammars and writing skills.
So, what specific thing you are going to take today?
So, like, I'm quite confident before today. After this,
About what?
it's about my writing skills.
About what? Specific? Kuni एउटा विशेष
Paragraph writing,
paragraph writing.
essay writings.
Okay. So, we already know that from words we make sentences. From sentences we make what? Paragraphs. From paragraphs we make essays. Yeah. So basic thing is you need to know how to write a correct sentence first of all. Okay, so now you know how to arrange it well. Means after you know the word groups of different words. No. Okay, thank you.
Most of the times your Dipendra sir and principal sir, who has conducted basic English writing workshop for us today. And today we learned many more things, how to write essay, paragraph writing. And sir, हामी एक्जाममा लेख्दाखेरि हामी टेन्स स्ट्रक्चर अनि के ध्यान दिदैनौँ, बट आजको यो सेक्सनले हामी यो त धेरै कुरा सिक्न पाएँ। अब लेख्ने भने कसरी लेख्ने, स्ट्रक्चरहरू कहाँ युज गर्ने, टेन्सको प्रयोग कहाँ हुन्छ, त्यो भोकाबुलरीको कारणले त्यो माने लेक अफ भोकाबुलरीको कारणले गर्दा हामी बडी सेन्टेन्सहरू क्रिएट गर्न सक्दैन थियो। बट आजको सरले सिकाउनु भएको भोकाबुलरीको कारण हामी धेरै सेन्टेन्सहरू क्रिएट गर्न सक्छौँ अनि प्याराग्राफ राइटिङहरू हामी बढी लेख्न सक्छौँ। तर यही कुरा हामी सिक्यौँ कि भोकाबुलरी लर्न धेरै याद गर्नुपर्छ अनि स्ट्रक्चरहरू के कसरी युज गर्ने, कसरी सेन्टेन्सहरू क्रिएट गर्ने, ये सब सिक्यो सर। नेक्स्ट टाइम हामी ध्यान दिन्छौँ कि बढीभन्दा बढी मार्क लिएर आउँ, अब सरले मौका नदिने कि कम मार्क आयो।
Yes, very nice. So you most of the time complain about the marks. Okay, so now you today know where the marks are generally cut. है ना, marks कहाँ कटिरहेको थियो, कुन word हामीले के बुझिरहेको थियो, question like for example question यत्रो लामो आएपछि मान्छे डराइहाल्छ पहिले, अब तर questionलाई कसरी short गर्ने, कसरी specific गर्ने लगाएको कुराहरू पनि हामीले सिक्यौँ। Yes.
Honestly, our team member doesn't know how to write free writing, and from today's section we learned about free writing and we're gonna implement it on our free writing and gain more and more marks. And the most best thing about today's section is that we learned through games and fun.
Yes, very nice, good.
Good evening, sir. Well, this is Mr. Saurabh Patel, and from today's section, I personally what thing is that, being honest, I was not knowing about the free writing marks and its question number, but after this session, I came to know that. And apart from that, we really did a lot of fun and enjoyment. And similarly, in coming towards the point, I personally know several points related to the comparison, contrast, addition, conclusion, these similar words. Now I think I will implement those words in my future days. And apart from that, I'm 100% sure about to differentiate between the adverb, adjective, noun, and etc. And the best part of this is that everything was being in a very friendly way, right? Like sir is our respected principal sir, and you are also a teacher, but we all were engaging in just like we are very close friends, and that was really awesome things I found from this today's session. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, good, very nice. So from today you are going to implement all the things.
Yes,
and bring something different in your writing.
Of course.
So you are confident that you will gain something more.
Yes, sir.
Regarding marks.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, good.